Are you struggling to sell your business? Or perhaps, maybe you just don't have the time to find a buyer? Well, you're in luck. Introducing our new DIY Sell It Yourself program from Network Infinity. Now you can sell your business on your own without using a broker. Get to deal direct with the buyers and save thousands of dollars on commission. Who knows your business better than you? Here are some benefits to selling your business using our Sell It Yourself platform. Number 1, save thousands of dollars in broker fees and commissions. Number 2, get your business listed on all major business listing platforms. Number 3, be in control of the sale process from the very beginning up until your business is sold. For a one-time payment, you can get your business listed on Seek Business, Commercial Real Estate, Businesses View, Businesses for Sale, Any Business, Network Infinity, and B-Sale. So, what are you waiting for? Get started now.